guys, welcome back to Crafting with Bella. In today's video I'll be doing a construction themed centerpiece, and these are the cutouts that I'll be using, and this is how they're going to look after I glue them. So I'm using this bulldozer number 5 and these two signs. I'm also using this caution sign, and I did use the Cricut machine to cut these cutouts, and I'm using this as my base, and I got this at the Dollar King. I'm using a piece of floral foam, some popsicle sticks, and these are the thin ones, glue, a glue gun, and a glue stick. And I'm using this shredded paper. I still don't know if I'm going to use the yellow one or this red one. So those are all the materials that I'll be using, and if I forget, which I always do forget to mention something, I'll let you guys know. So that's it with the materials. Now let's get started. I'm done gluing the popsicle sticks, and I'm going to use these double-sided dots to glue my caution sign on the base. I'm going to use 3. Okay, so that's how it looks with the yellow shredded paper, and I actually like this one a little better, but let me know in the comments below which one do you guys prefer, the red one or the yellow one. I hope that you guys like this idea. If you guys do, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed, and you guys can follow me on Instagram, Twitter, Pinterest, and Facebook. And again, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!